Section 5, and this section is all about engine APU. And the first item, section 5.1, it is all about engine reliability reporting general information. And reporting months here, as you can see, it is January 2021. So let's start from the right side. And then in columns, we have 1 month information, 3 months information, 6, 12, 24 months, 36 months, worldwide 12 months, since entry into service total, alert level. And the left side, we have information about in the rows, right? Engine in-flight shutdown, unscheduled number rates, total number rates, engine removals, unscheduled number rates, total number rates, engine shop visit, unscheduled number rates, total number rates, engine delay number rates, engine cancellation number rates, and flight interruptions number rates. Definitely we can continue this list if you want. And what I would like to mention before we move to the next slide, that up to engine delay up to here, all these items are related to the technical PRs, technical problems. Okay? Delay, cancellations, flight interruptions, these items are more operation oriented, operation focused. Technical items are mandatory, so we need these items here to include in this table. Operational items are optional. Okay, now let's move to the next slide and see what type of supporting information we have. And we're gonna start from engine in-flight shutdown. What we have here, we have engine model or part number. In the table, we have engine serial number, aircraft manufacturer serial number, when this engine was or is installed, engine position, date, problem reported, engine number 1, high vibration, corrective actions, 15 fan blades replaced. Next items are related to the engine. Let me go through these items here one by one. This is time since new, cycle since new, time since installation, cycle since installation, time since last installation, cycle since last installation, time since overhaul, cycle since overhaul. Definitely we can continue this list. Okay? Once more, all these times and cycles belongs to the engine. And we can ask question, what about 15 remove the fan blades? Answer is very simple. All these 15 fan blades are part of, in our particular case, section 6, which is component reliability, LRU reliability. Oh, what I would like to mention before we move to the next subject. All these PRs, corrective actions, removal date, installation date, engine position, MSN number, serial number, engine model. I made up all these items, all this information only for training purposes. Okay, so these numbers, ATA numbers, right? Corrective actions, they are not from true story. They are not from real life, just made up for this particular presentation for training purposes. Okay, now let's move to the next subject. It is all about engine removals. Again, we have here engine serial number, aircraft manufacturer serial number, position, installation date, removal date, problem reported, reason, overhaul, removal type, unscheduled, scheduled, other. Definitely, if this item was removed to send for overhaul, right, shop visit, then definitely removal type is scheduled. Next items, we already had a discussion, not going through all this through times and cycles info. And last but not least, the comments. As we already saying, we can add some interesting columns here. Now let's move to the next slide and see what's happening from APU perspective. this table, just copy paste from engine table, right? The columns are exactly same, not changing anything, not reading again. Let's go to the rows, which is left side. What we have here? And number one, it is information about start. So we need to know if we had a problem during start. So let's start it. APU start problem, right? Number rate, auto shutdown, number rate, APU removals, unscheduled number rate, total number rate, APU shop visit, unscheduled number rate, total number rate. Now let's move to the next slide and see some supporting information. And number one, subject, definitely this is all about start and auto shutdown. What we have here, we have on the left side APU serial number, aircraft manufacturer serial number, date, problem reported, APU not starting, APU engine failure message during start. We had a problem during start, we couldn't start the APU engine. Corrective actions, APU air cooler damaged by FOD. Not good, so maintenance checked it, and maintenance found that we have some foreign object damage air cooler. Cooler replaced, the system was tested, APU start, everything was okay. Comments. Comments I include removed part information, which is cooler part number, serial number, and new part installation information, information. Off means removed part, on means a new part installed. So off or removed LRU part number, serial number, on or installed new LRU part number, serial number. Could we include these items under corrective action? Answer is yes, and not only this, what we could do, we could create the specific column, specific cells for removed parts, part number off, serial number off, and installed parts, part number on, and serial number on. Definitely, we can put also here some comments. And as we are always saying, we can continue this list based on our experience, based on our aviation authorities requirements. Next subject, it's all about APU removals. Here's APU serial number, aircraft manufacturer serial number, installation date, removal date, problem reported, APU fire and emergency auto shutdown, just shutdown. Reason, APU fuel feed line crack. We had a problem with the APU fuel tubes, okay? Part number, AFL111. Removal type, definitely this is not, not scheduled, this is unscheduled. Next items is all about time and cycles, and some comments here. Fire, destroyed APU engine and left APU door. Both APU and left APU door must be replaced. Okay, just example. Now let's move to the next slide, and this is all about component reliability, section 6.